Hello and welcome to my video lecture on where to find the PHP documentation online and a quick idea of how to use it. So here's the URL for the PHP documentation. Essentially, you can just go to php.net, which I have bookmarked. All right, so we have php.net. This is the PHP homepage. I don't think there's anything newer since the last time I've been here, right? So the 5.6.4 is available, so that's the current version of PHP that's out there. Here's your downloads page, but we're more involved in the documentation page. All right, so here's our documentation page. We can pick the language, right? So we go and we pick English. So again, if you want to, you can just type this in or bookmark this if this is really what you want. You can see all the people who contribute to the manual. Good people to, I guess, if you ever wanted to reach out to them and ask them any kind of questions. These are copyright, the preface, getting started, right? So you can just pick any of the topics if you wanted. If you know very particularly the topic you were looking for, you could search for it that way, or you could always, look for things like the if statement, right? So here's the if statement doesn't exist, so it's got to be in here someplace. All right, let's try if again. So we've got functions. Got to be in here somewhere. Look at me not knowing how to search. I mean, if kind of is a, I guess you wouldn't necessarily, in that function. So why is it looking in functions? Gotta be in here. Hold on a second. That's silly. So control structures. If. How come it didn't find that right away? There's if, for you to be in control structures. Let's go back to the documentation. The documentation, and go into English. I'm going to search for if. It goes right into functions. Isn't that funny? PHP if manual. Jeez. All right. So as you can see, maybe not the most intuitive way of searching, but you can see here that that's a way to go in and find the if statement. You can see that people have contributed, so there are notes down here how to use it. Other people have obviously added to this. But so here's your PHP documentation. It's searchable. So again, we can search for things like the if statement. In this case, we're looking for the is set. So let's see if that's even easier. Let's search for is set. There you go. Is set comes up right away. So again, you go to the first page of the website, and I just showed you how to do that. You can click on the PHP manual and scroll the contents till you find it, or you can just search it. So again, probably not the greatest video I've ever made, but that's how a quick tutorial on where to find it and how to search PHP documentation.